I want to demonstrate the removal of the background from an image. Typically, the technique that works really well is this one, Briar. What I can do is I can go to one of my images and I want to lose the background. So it's working on it. It's worked out how to make it transparent for the background. I have speeded up some video of me trying to find a good way to turn a generative AI picture into something that I can easily color fill. The reason is that I want to express information by using color. So you could have a uniform, which on its own means a number or a letter of the alphabet, and then the next letter or the next digit or number would be decided by the color fill of that image. And there would also be a decision about what the head would be on that image. I've returned to the hunter image and I have simplified it because some of the drawing was a bit of a question mark where in your own mind you had to accept that some detail didn't make sense. So I've cleared up the symmetry, made it easier to look away from this image and to visualize it. I'm also using twin tone. So this shade of blue here, I'm going to have a rule that it can have a twin tone color, which is this shade here, which occurs also in the belt buckle. And I think that makes the picture more distinctive. Aspects of the outfit stand out better in this way, in my opinion. And then I'm also thinking if an outfit has intricate detail that is part of the definition of the outfit, then it might be a good idea to keep this shape in all of the pictures of the queen or female king, as I label it in the file name. And the only feature to change, or the main feature to change, would be the rest of the fabric, to change this to different color. So you could have 28 color, 28 images of the queen, 28 fill colors, but this would not be disturbed at all. It would just be um, the main white area, but not these bits here.